Max is enjoying his favorite show on a Friday evening, but then he starts hearing noises somewhere in the house. He checks the kitchen, but the sound is not coming from there. He checks the bathroom, and he discovers that the tap is leaking, but still, that isn't the sound he's looking for. Max slowly walks into the basement looking for the sound, and he finds a toy robot, and it's the robot making the sound. He takes the robot to his room, and he tries to figure out what is wrong with the robot. He puts new batteries in the robot, and it lights up and the noise stops. Turns out it was running out of batteries. Max goes back, but this time he watches his favorite show with a new friend.